Discussing today
Structure of seeds.
and few types of seeds are placed here. What is the outer covering of a seed called?
Seed coat.
Seed coat. Which part of the seed grows into a plant?
Embryo.
Then Hardik, can you name the three main parts of a seed?
Yes, sister. Seed coat, cotyledons, and embryo.
Repeat everyone.
Seed coat and cotyledon and embryo.
Okay. Where is the baby plant in this seed? Where is the baby plant in this seed?
In embryo.
In embryo. Okay. Which part became the root of the seed?
Part of an embryo.
Part of a?
Embryo.
Okay. Do you all love this topic?
Yes, sister.